In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best drawing tablets available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the drawing tablets list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the drawing tablets mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, UGEE Q6 Graphic Tablet Drawing Tablet 6-inch 8192 levels. The UGEE Q6 is a compact 6-inch graphic drawing tablet designed for children and beginners. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it offers precise and responsive pen input for digital art, handwriting, and design. Compatible with PC, Android, and Mac, this versatile tablet is perfect for drawing, note-taking, and creative learning. The lightweight and portable design make it easy for kids to carry, and the easy-to-use interface ensures smooth functionality. Whether your child is exploring creative skills or enjoying educational content, the UGEE Q6 is an excellent tool for budding digital artists. Number 4, Huion Kamvas 22 Graphic Pen Tablet Monitor. The Huion Kamvas 22 is a 21.5-inch graphic pen tablet monitor featuring an anti-glare screen and 120% sRGB color accuracy. Ideal for professional artists and designers, it offers a vibrant display with precise color reproduction for detailed artwork. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android devices, the Kamvas 22 supports seamless connection and drawing experience across platforms. The pen provides 8192 pressure levels and tilt recognition, enabling natural, brush-like strokes. Its large, crystal-clear screen ensures immersive drawing sessions, making it perfect for digital art, animation, and design work. Number 3, XPPen Deco Pro, Gen 2, Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Deco Pro, Gen 2, is the world's first graphics tablet to feature 16K pressure levels and the innovative X3 Pro stylus for unmatched accuracy. Perfect for professional artists and designers, this tablet ensures highly detailed artwork with precise control and smooth performance. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android platforms, making it ideal for versatile digital drawing, animation, and design projects. The Deco Pro's sleek design and ergonomic feel, combined with its powerful pressure sensitivity, make it a standout choice for artists looking to elevate their digital creations. Number 2, Huion Kamvas Pro 16 Graphics Tablet Display. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 is a professional-grade drawing tablet with a 120% sRGB color gamut, providing vibrant and true-to-life colors on its 16-inch display. With 8192 pressure sensitivity levels and tilt functionality, it delivers a natural drawing experience that mimics traditional media. The Kamvas Pro 16 is equipped with customizable shortcut keys for efficiency and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android devices, offering artists a highly responsive and intuitive tool for creating detailed digital illustrations, animations, and graphic designs. Number 1, XPPen Deco 01V2 Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco 01V2 is a 10-inch digital drawing tablet offering 8192 pressure levels and a tilt recognition feature for smooth, natural strokes. It includes 8 customizable shortcut keys, enhancing productivity and workflow. The tablet supports Android, Windows, and Mac systems, making it versatile for various creative tasks such as drawing, designing, and editing. Its slim design and lightweight build make it easy to carry, and the large active area provides ample space for creating detailed artwork. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike, the Deco 01V2 delivers high performance at an affordable price.